Hi everybody, my name is HMK. We are playing Force of Nature and we are currently going the wrong way. And if you like the episodes, do hit that like button. If you don't like them, do hit the hate button. Do leave comments because they are read and responded to when YouTube reminds me that I've got some. And today we are trying to make a barrel. Now the problem that we have is finding iron, so we've been using copper, so we need 16 coins for each one, and it doesn't seem to me that we can do anything with the gold ingots. Oh, we can use copper, we can use gold coins. Okay, so that's fine there. Oh, glass. Yeah, so cancel. So we're looking for the building here, and we're doing the barrel. Okay, we're not doing a small chest, we're doing the barrel because the barrels can come outside, and you need an iron ingot or a copper ingot. Let's have a look at the small chest. Only needs one, and is easier, but it can only be placed indoors, where the barrel can be placed outdoors. So we're not too sure about that. What does the straw bed do? Okay, so it restores health and stuff like that. Dugout. This is the larger one of the dugout here. Yeah, so we've got to be able to do that. But like I said, we want the barrels at the moment, because we're going to try and get some barrels all the time, but it's just getting them, because we need coins and we need to go and kill the goblins and stuff like that. I want to also have a look. I looked at the crafting menu here, the build menu, and we've got constructions here, and I think it was decorations, where we've got a torch, which is a stick. Okay, can only be placed outdoors, so that's going to be good. So we're going to select those, and that I'm going to use to light my path, so I know where I'm going. Okay, so currently we've been going up this way. Okay, so we're going to be doing the crafting recipe here. So the decorations, and we're going to select, and we're going to put a torch there, just so I know where we're going. And now we're going to be looking on the map, because we're going up to the top. So again, we're going to press C. Well, we're going to press tab, build, decorations, torch, select, and we'll do that. And there's one off to the road here. If I look at the map, there's one here. So yeah, we're going to obviously tab and build, decorations, torch. Okay, so depending which path we want to follow, we're going to go at the top at the moment, because I think there's some I think that grey stuff is either stone or iron. It's really difficult to tell. because they're so small. Yeah, you stop breaking my constructions. Yeah. Okay, so that might not be a good idea to do. Let's have a look at the map here. I kind of want to go to that grey area. Sort of around this way, I think. Right, so there's some rocks here. I don't know what rocks they are. I don't know if they're iron. So let's get our pickaxe. Look at our inventory. We got stone. So this might be something else. So we'll just have to wait and see what it is. So what did we pick up? Stone and tin. So that's tin. What's this one over here? Let's go over here. Number 5. Yeah. Bloody foxes. Right, so we're going to have to go back. Very carefully. Here we go. So we're not having very much luck. With this at all. And just because I want a barrel. Don't want to do that. Did not want to do that. So I'm going to put the stone in there. 10 hours and 10 seconds. Fangs in there. Or we just throw it on the floor. Well, I suppose we could throw it on the floor. I don't know if it will. Yeah. So we can do. We'll get rid of that. Rid of that. Coconut. 10 hours and 10 seconds. So I think we need to take a look at some other stuff, and we need to start, because of the barrel, we need to start thinking about making a better house. So let's have a look, because the chests are bigger. Constructions, the dugout, nails 15 and 20. You see, we've still got to go and find iron. We've got the stone, we've got the logs, we can get the clay and the palm leaves. So we've got maximum number of buildings for the current level is 2. Okay, so I don't know what happens if we destroy the barrel. What's in the barrel? Take all. Okay, let's throw that on the floor, and that, and then we'll take all. Yeah, we'll throw that on the floor. We'll take all, and we're going to destroy the barrel. Okay. So we do get the bits and pieces back, I presume. It looks like it, so that might be good. So we'll have a look at that in the next episode then. Have fun, stay safe, bye for now.